can play with you no more. I don't know how I'm gonna do what Mama told me. My friend, the boy next door. Saying you're gonna let your hair hang down. I'm satisfied to sit here working all day long. You're in the darker side of town.
There it goes.
Today, old man.